Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very delicious African salad. If you want to make this salad, you're going to need dried shredded cassava and ugba, spinach, pepper, onion and garden eggs, cucumber, cooked cow skin and cooked stockfish. You also need crayfish. I'm using the whole crayfish and the ground crayfish. You can also use only the ground crayfish, but I like to bite into something. Potash, Cameroon pepper, salt and seasoning cube, palm oil and ground Calabash nutmeg. I'm gonna be frying some mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. You can use dried fish. I'll be using onion powder, Cameroon pepper and salt to marinate it, to season it and marinate it. You can use whatever spice you want, but this is just perfect. So I'm just gonna marinate it for about 30 minutes to an hour, then I'll fry it. Make sure each fish is coated with the spices. I like to rub it in like this before I set it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. While the fish is marinating, I will go ahead to rehydrate the dried cassava. I'll just let it soak in the water for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna soak the potash in water after rinsing off those dirt floating on top. So back to the dried cassava. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it and leave it in the strainer to continue to drain. So it is time to start slicing and dicing everything you need. So I'm starting with the garden eggs. This one is another variety of garden egg. It tastes the same way as the ones we have in Nigeria, but it's not really that pretty. So I'm gonna still use cucumbers. If you are in a place that you cannot find garden eggs, you can use cucumber. Whenever I describe garden eggs to my kids, I say it tastes the same way as cucumber. So spinach, traditionally in Nigeria they use the leaves of the garden eggs, but since we don't have it, spinach is a good substitute. So I'm gonna slice the spinach the way you slice the garden egg leaves. See, does that not look like garden egg leaves? My pomo is already cooked, so I'm just gonna slice it into small pieces because I like to add it to the dressing. I'm done slicing the pomo, so I'll go ahead to start slicing the onions. I'm gonna cut the onions 2 ways. I will slice it like this, then I'll still dice it. The one I dice, I'm gonna add it to the dressing. Then this one, I'm gonna use it as garnish. So while I'm dicing and slicing the onion, please join us by subscribing to my channel. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post any video. Like and share the video if you enjoy it. And I also have so many amazing recipes. Check out my channel. Thank you. So when I'm done, I'm gonna go in and separate them individually so that they'll be like individual ring or circle. This is for garnish. After an hour, I'm gonna heat up the oil to fry it. I'm checking it to see if it's hot. It is hot. I'm gonna start frying. I have a detailed video on how to fry fish. You can check it out. So I'm gonna fry the fish, and when it's done, I'm gonna move on to the next step. Shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing and wonderful. I love you guys. Thank you and God bless you. Let me use this opportunity to extend an invitation to all those that have been watching my videos. Maybe you have watched it once or twice and you are not yet subscribed. Please join us by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Now we are done frying the fish. It is time to make the dressing. I already heated the oil in the microwave for like a minute. You can heat it on the stove. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I really like the dressing a lot. So in the oil, I'm gonna add the potash. See, I'm gonna mix it in. The potash acts as an emulsifier. Water and oil don't really mix together, so when you add the potash marries them together. They become one and beautiful mixture. If you want your dressing to look very creamy, you have to add more potash. See, the more potash you add, the creamier it looks. See, I remember when I was in Nigeria, I used to love this African salad, and the lady that sells it was so stingy with the dressing. So one day I stumbled into how she makes it, and oh god, since that day I don't really bother. So I just added the ground calabash, nutmeg, crayfish, seasoning cube, onion, Cameroon pepper, the crayfish, the whole crayfish, the pomo, the cow skin, and I'll mix it. I'm adding the ugba. Mix it in. Then I just added the stockfish. It's already cooked. I'm gonna add in some of the fresh pepper for color and a little bit of salt. You can add salt to your taste. I'm gonna mix everything together. See, this alone you can eat it. You don't even need the cassava. I'm gonna set some aside. Then I'm gonna add, oh, I forgot to add in the garden egg, so I just added it to this part of it. It tastes so good. So I'm gonna add the shredded cassava. I'm gonna mix together. This is African salad, my people. African salad. Very, very delicious. So I'll just add it a little bit at a time. Then you can taste for your seasoning and add more as you desire. So while I'm plating this salad, let me tell you how I learned how to make the salad cream. There's this lady that sells African salad. I love that lady. She's just like one in a million. You don't see a lot of them selling the African salad. So whenever I buy salad from her, she doesn't give me a lot. It's like, you are too stingy with this salad cream. So there was one day I wanted to buy some. I was searching for, we live on the same street, though I didn't go to all out. Yeah, looking for her. So I got to her house. She was in the house. I said, oh, I want to buy salad. So she said, I'm not feeling fine. So I begged her. So she made it. She made it in my in my presence. I said, eh? So this is how you make it, and you be doing shakara with this your salad dressing. So that's how your sister learned it. Oh, I learned it. And so whenever I buy salad from her, I go home and I make my own dressing. And eventually I started making my own salad. It is really quite easy to make your own African salad as long as you know what you need to add. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this recipe. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button before the end of this video. Thank you. Till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.